Hi, I'm Deekshi and I work with the SmartCube at its India office. In this presentation, my colleague Mayank and I will give the key findings on the global construction market that we studied for Rolls-Royce. Starting with the technological trends, clients are increasingly adopting latest technologies to bring efficiencies in the project and cost management. In fact, growing use of mobile technologies is helping clients to improve communication between client and project teams and reducing project errors. Further, the demand for faster project turnaround and adherence to green building regulations is driving up the popularity of BIM and expanding the usage of 4D BIM, especially in the UK. Customers are expected to incur additional project costs in the back of stringent environmental and health and safety regulations in developed countries such as the UK, US, and Germany. Meanwhile, the developing countries such as India and Poland are easing their construction policies and bureaucratic hassles, which will help companies reduce their administrative burden. The projected rise in wages and cement prices, which together account for a significant share in the total construction cost, will drive up construction expenditure. Similarly, a surge in wages and rental costs in the construction professional services industry will push up the project costs. Construction costs in the UK, US, and Germany are expected to rise due to high cost of construction materials and labor. The US is expected to witness the highest labor cost, followed by the UK and Germany. In the UK, there is significant difference between the contractors' margins and labor cost, and London's labor costs are significantly higher than the other UK regions, such as the northern and central regions.
Large companies have separate real estate and facilities teams to manage their FM and construction works. Besides, there is a separate team in their procurement departments to handle tasks such as contract management and negotiation. These teams are spread across the headquarters as well as regional or country level offices. All projects are managed by regional or country teams. However, projects with a particular threshold value, which is typically more than 5 million GBP, are closely monitored by the central team at the headquarters. Such contracts should be preferred for projects typically greater than 5 million GBP, while fixed price contracts should be preferred for smaller projects with limited scope for modifications. To have more flexibility in the project scope, cost reimbursable contracts are increasingly being preferred in the industrial construction. As the market is fragmented, buyers have a higher bargaining power vis-à-vis contractors and professional services providers. For price negotiations, internal cost estimates should be developed, which can be benchmarked against a contractor's estimates. Another key tactic is to reach out to subcontractors directly to determine the markup being charged by contractors. Aerospace players have supplier engagement plans for long-term relationships with suppliers for direct categories. However, for indirect categories such as construction, they prefer to maintain an arm's length relationship with contractors and service providers. Some large aerospace players typically have a few preferred suppliers for critical or major projects. Organizations in industries with frequent construction requirements, such as retail, prefer to have long-term relationships with their contractors. Mounting cost pressures have led various companies globally to take multiple strategic initiatives to optimize spend and achieve synergies. Some key initiatives include adopting integrated facilities management solution, letting out extra space to peers, and adopting technological solutions to optimize cost.